Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how you can easily add and customize calendar on your website here in Google Sites. Now before starting, if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sites, you're a beginner, or even if you're a first timer in using this software, do not worry because I got you covered, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process and how to do this thing. By the way, if you're interested in watching, we actually have a dedicated video that covers all the basic features and functions of this software, so you might want to check it out. Now, just to give it a bit of a background, for those of you who don't know, Google Site is actually a free web-based tool that is used to create websites and is ideal for both professional and personal use. So yes, you do not need to pay for anything nor download anything. You can completely access the Google Sites for free on your web browser, just like this. Now, as you can see right here, if I preview this, I have a Google Calendar that is embedded on my website. And as you can see right here, I have an event or a task by Monday, June 24, which is to make thumbnails by 9:30 p.m. And embedding this is actually quite easy. All you have to do is to head over to the right sidebar of your screen. As you can see right here, you got tons of options to choose from. You need to click on calendar, click on it once, and choose the account that you would like to add your calendar to, or you can even add birthdays or holidays in the Philippines like this. Let's say, for example, this one, because it really depends on which country you're from, but from me, I'm from the Philippines, so it shows me all the holidays that is present in the Philippines. As you can see right here, we got the Ninoy Aquino Day, National Heroes Day by August 26, and many more. But if you want to add a personal calendar, you can click on your Google account and it will directly get access to your Google Calendar from your account that you use here. And as you can see, it will give me access on it. And if you want to add events on it, you can easily access your Google Calendar by adding a new tab, heading to this dots icon right here, and heading over to calendar. And as you can see, it gives us this one, or this interface. You can basically add events if you wish, like so. Or in this time, you can add an event. From here, you can add an event. Here, you can add an event. And if I update this one, then we add the calendar again. As you can see, if I update my calendar, it actually shows all of those events right here, as you can see, that we added. June 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, as well as the time. As simple as that, you can easily customize and add your calendar or embed your calendar into your website here in Google Site. Now, if you did learn something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like, as well as hitting that notification bell and leaving a comment down below in which you would like to see from us next. I'll take it from here, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.